Hi, and welcome back to Purposeful Woman podcast. And today we have Anna Furu. Anna is a business and mindset coach for online coaches, helping them attract and sign more dream high ticket clients and scale while working less. Hi, and welcome, Anna.
Hi, Victoria. Thank you for having me.
Yay, I feel like everybody wants to, work less while scaling. Isn't that sounds amazing? Well, like always, I would love to learn more about you. How did you get where you? What is your story? How did you get
Yes,
into coaching?
yes, right. I feel the same. It's like the holy grail, right? So, yeah, I'm a business and mindset coach for online coaches. And basically, I always dreamt of being a coach, actually since I was really, really young, but I didn't know that there was such an occupation. So, instead, I became a teacher and I was super passionate to always help people, but I burnt out really bad. And I actually got 6 years of severe chronic fatigue syndrome. I don't know if you know about that, but it was pretty bad. So, what happened was that during these years, I realized that I just can't be in the teaching environment. I want to help people, but it's just not the right thing. And I want to help with something deeper than just language. I was a language teacher. And so, after 6 years in 2018, I hired my first life coach and I talked to him about this. And I was like, I just want to coach, or like, that's what I do all the time. But I'm like, how? I don't know. And he was like, well, do it, Anna. You can also coach. And I was like, mind blown. And so I just started coaching, and the downside was that in my first 2 years, I've been in business like 3.5 years now. And during my first 2 years, Victoria, I made 550 US dollars. You're like, that's a lot. No, it's not. Like, it's not a lot at all. And I was, of course, so frustrated and I was on the verge of giving up, but I didn't, fortunately. And today, I have made 100K in the last 5 months. So things have changed radically, basically. So that's what I help my clients with as well. And that's my story.
Awesome. So you were working and doing coaching because you wouldn't be able to survive for $550 for 2 years.
That's right. Yes. I was working as a teacher part time until little under a year ago, actually, when I went full time.
No, beautiful. Well, awesome. So tell us what was like, I kind of want to go back, like go to the third question right away. What was the shift? Like, what was the lesson? Like, where did you shift it?
Yeah,
What was that moment?
that's a very good question. So I think that it took me, as I said, like 2 years to realize, to learn. I learned so much. I invested like a crazy person. I invested like around 13K in those 2 years, and I got $550 back, which wasn't good. But what I learned after those 2 years was that I had been like copying strategies from, big gurus and big coaches who were making six and multiple six and seven figure and eight figures. And they were teaching great strategies, but those strategies were for people at their level. Does that make sense? So I was using the right strategies at the wrong time, kind of, you know, since I wasn't making six, seven, eight figures at that time. So that was like the big mistake that I realized. And then I was like, okay, I have to throw everything away and like realign myself with my business and find a way that works for me. And so what shifted was when I realized that it's not about creating the baddest content or like, having the most stylish photos or whatever graphics. My strength is in building genuine relationships. And that's something that I'm super passionate about. So when I started honing in on that and building that skill, that's when things started shifting, and I started signing high ticket clients that were dream clients with ease when earlier I had just been really struggling,
Awesome. So what was the, if we summarize that up, right? What was the mistake? I think I heard already you said one, but I wanted to elaborate on that and open up a little bit for
Yeah.
our coaches.
Yeah, for sure. It's worth it's worth repeating. It's that I was copying the big coaches and I was using their strategies that they are using, at 6 figures, 7 figures. But I was using that when I was starting, when I wasn't making a lot of money. And it doesn't work that way. You have to start using strategies that fit the level you're at in your business. So that was the big mistake. And honestly, another big mistake was that I hadn't been working on my money mindset and sales mindset. And so I just went all in with that in combination with the relationship building that I talked about on social media. And that's what helped me go from not signing any clients to first I started signing, got booked out with 3K clients that paid like 3K packages. And today I sell, multiple 10K packages for my coaching. But those were the two things really.
Awesome. Well, awesome. Beautiful. So, and there is a last question that I always ask everyone on this podcast and it sounds like it. So I would like for you to feel in the end, if you really knew me, you will know that I am blank.
All about genuine relationships.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Beautiful. I know you have a free gift for us. What would you share with us? What is it? And also where can our audience can find you?
Yeah, let me just elaborate. So the relationship part is not something we talk about a lot, but people just see their clients as numbers, right? So the free gift that I have for you guys today is the very DM script that I have used myself to reach, 100K in the last 5 months, and that my clients have used as well. And this DM script has brought in over 750K so far. And basically it teaches you like the first steps of how to start building a genuine relationship with someone online that can turn into a high ticket dream client. And that's the thing. If you want to sell like low ticket offers, you don't have to care about the relationship. But I'm an expert in helping my clients sign high ticket dream clients for thousands of dollars. And if you want to do that, you need to focus on the relationship first. And that's what this free DM script is going to help you do.
Awesome. Beautiful. Thank you so much for coming over and sharing your story and sharing your knowledge in here. And I'm sure it's going to help lots of coaches. Thank you so much, Anna. And I will see you in the next episode.
Yes. And feel free to say hi to me on Instagram. I would love to connect with you guys. I'm Anna.Furu.
All right. Beautiful. Bye.
Thank you, Viktoriia.
Bye. And if you love this episode and you would love to see more of that, click the subscribe button to Purposeful Woman Podcast. And don't forget to text us to stay in tune with the Purposeful community for awesome tricks by texting to number +1 401 399 4105. And we will link descriptions in the episode to all of that we mentioned today. Bye. Turn your one day to day one with a purposeful day.